Hello everyone, this is Mahi Rajput and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a product which I've received recently. So I'm going to unbox this product. You have to do this carefully. Oh wow. So the product name is Navi Sutra. I really like the packing of this product. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने इसको पैक किया है, it looks really good. And you have 2 products in this box, and you get one instruction manual as well. Ayurveda depicts our belly button as a source of our complete consciousness. Puranas title our navel as a second brain. Everything a fetus needs to become a healthy baby is supplied through navel. This shows the importance of our navel for our better health. Navel not only supplies oil to our dried veins but also removes toxins and nourishes our organs by pumping nutrients to the core. Until today, I didn't know that Pichoti, situated behind the belly button, is crowded with 72,000 veins, which is connected to the different parts of the body. As per research, belly button is a source of 1/3 of blood and 90% of the happy hormone and 50% of joy hormone. So there are 6 varieties of belly button oil which are available, and they are, before they could send me this product, I have been using this one from quite a long time. This is Navi Sutra for sensational skin. So by using this product, it reduces dark circles, wrinkles, it eliminates pigmentation, and it will make your skin soft and supple. It is very simple to use. With the help of this, you take 2 to 3 drops of oil, put it in your belly button before you go to bed, and clean it in the morning. They have sent me these 2 products. One is Navi Sutra Healthy Hair and the other one is Navi Sutra for joint pain. This healthy hair, अगर हमें कोई भी hair problem होता है तो हम hair product लेके hair में apply करते हैं. But this one is very different. They have come up with an innovative idea that if you have any joint pain or a hair problem, you just apply 2 to 3 drops of Navi Sutra oil in your belly button and the problems are solved. It absorbs 60 to 70% of whatever we apply to it. According to the study, we absorb over 200 kgs of chemicals by using chemical-based products. Let's talk few facts. No, it is not advised to mix 2 oils. It is advised कि अगर हम एक बार में एक ऑयल को यूज़ करते हैं to certain period of time, तो उसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आता है. ये कोई केमिकल प्रोडक्ट नहीं है जो आपको ओवरनाइट रिजल्ट्स देगा. For all the natural products, you need to have little patience. So you can see the results 21 days से 3 months के बीच में. It depends on body to body type. So no, it is not a gender based, and anybody who is above 5 years can use this. For best result, use this product on a daily basis right before your bedtime. Navi Sutra is reviving the forgotten Vedic practice to provide us the good health we all need. I would strongly recommend you to use this 100% pure and natural Navi Sutra oils to unlock the complete potential of your second brain, the Pichoti.